The guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs for Unlock Phase 2 beginning July 1 shows that the government has refused to give further relaxation in major sectors that remained closed earlier. As such, educational institutions, cinema halls, gymnasiums, among others, will not be open till further orders. Here's a report. Adopting a cautious approach, the Union government in its Unlock Phase 2 has decided to keep colleges, schools, educational institutions, cinemas, gymnasium, swimming pools, entertainment parks, theatres, bars, auditorium, assembly halls and similar places, and even metro services shut until July 31. Similarly, social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural, religious functions and others, large congregations will continue to be disallowed. Dates for opening for this will be decided separately based on the assessment of the situation, said the MHA. Lockdown shall continue to be implemented strictly in the containment zones till July 31. These zones are required to be carefully demarcated by the state union governments with a view to contain the spread of COVID-19 after taking into consideration the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, it said, adding that wherein the containment zone, strict parameter control shall be maintained and only essential activities allowed. Domestic and international flights and passenger trains already operational in a limited manner will be further expanded in a calibrated manner, it said. Citing the rising number of COVID-19 cases, the MHA said that these activities will be allowed later. The date for opening up these services will be decided separately and necessary SOPs shall be issued, said the guidelines. An attempt has been made, however, to make it easier for economic units like industries and shops. Night curfews timings also have been relaxed and it will now be imposed only from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. This is expected to allow the shift systems in manufacturing units. Restrictions on customers in shops also have been relaxed. Now, more than 5 people can be present in a shop as long as they follow social distancing norms. However, the state governments still have the freedom to impose further restrictions as they deem fit in the interests of public health, the statement said. Vulnerable people like those above 65 years of age, people with comorbidities, pregnant women and children below the age of 10 years are advised to stay indoors except for meeting essential requirements and for health purposes. Bureau Report.